There's an important federal law that people need to know about who've been injured in any kind of facility that is run by the United States government, or they've had any kind of injury anywhere at the hands of a negligent employee of the federal government. The law is called the Federal Tort Claims Act, and it's an act of Congress that gives injured people a right to bring a case in court against the government. Now, there are some important rules that everybody needs to know about. Number one is, if you are an active duty service member, Army, Navy, Air Force, Marine Corps, I'm sorry, but you have no right to bring a legal case. There's an old Supreme Court decision on this where they said, well, it wouldn't be good for morale of the military services. The Supreme Court made up its own exception to the Federal Tort Claims Act and said service people are out. Congress has thought about changing it over the years because it's really unfair to, especially in the medical setting, when some soldier's been injured in a hospital by really stupid medical mistake. But that's the way the law is now. You cannot bring a case if you're an active duty serviceman. On the other hand, if you're a veteran, yes, you can make a claim. And if you're a spouse or another family member of an active duty service person, as long as you're not on duty yourself, you have a right to make a claim. That means, for example, somebody goes to the hospital, military hospital, and has a baby. Tragically, the baby gets hurt from something the doctors or nurses did at the time of delivery. That's a case that the baby can bring, obviously by the parents, but it's the baby's lawsuit against the government because the baby's not in the military service, and it doesn't matter if the mom or the dad are members of the military. Similarly, if your spouse is in the military but you're not, you were hurt in a military installation, or you have a right to bring a case. Now, there are all kinds of rules and regulations about when you have to bring the case, and there's important rules about making an administrative claim first. I want you to check our website because we spell out all this stuff, or give us a call if you want more information about this important act, the Federal Tort Claims Act.